Question number 14. In an experiment to determine the speed of sound in air, a tube that is filled at the top is filled with water and a vibrating tuning fork held over the tube as the water is released through a valve. Okay, an increase in intensity for the sound is heard for the first time when the air column length is x. Okay, so when at this point you hear a maximum intensity, which means what? Yeah, first the harmonic is created, right? So this appears to be like a closed tube. So you get an harmonic like this over here. So what do you mean by that? Which means that this x should be equal to this distance. What is this distance? This should be equal to lambda divided by 4. Okay. Then the next increase is heard when the air column is y at this point. What will happen here? So might be you will get one more loop here like this over here, right? So as a result of it, you can say y is equal to 3 lambda divided by 4, because you know this distance is lambda by 2. Total distance becomes 3 lambda by 4. Okay. Now, which expressions are approximately correct for the wavelength of sound? Okay, so now you can see from here that this value lambda is equal to 4x. Lambda equal to 4x is correct. And then you have 3 lambda is equal to 4y. Lambda should be equal to 4y by 3. 4y by 3. This is also correct. Lambda is equal to 4y by 3. This is also correct. There is nothing in this problem. Okay, so you have x equal to 4, lambda equal to 4x and lambda equal to 4y by 3. Both are correct. 1 and 3 are correct. B is the right.